How to trade P2P on Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application. Now, in order to access the P2P trading option, you need to go through the home page, and here on the home page, tap on the more option. After that, you will be landed on this page where you just have to simply tap on the P2P option. Then you will be landed on the P2P page where you can basically trade your favorite crypto. I'm gonna give you the insight of all of the steps that you can do on this page. First, you can tap on the fiat currency in the top and you can select the fiat currency. This is the currency that you can use in order to make the payment. After that, right next to it, you will have the three dots where you need to tap, and then you need to make sure that you have added your payment method which you need to use in order to buy and sell your favorite crypto. Once you are done, if you want to buy the crypto, then you can filter it out with the help of these methods. Like if you tap on the USDT or this drop down menu, you can select any of the cryptos that is given in the list. Second, we have the limit order, so you can tap on the limit option and you can select your limit and tap on the confirm option. Then we have the method option, so if you tap on method, you can select your favorite payment method and it will show you the list of all of the merchants that use the selected payment method of your choice. For this video, I'm going to keep it as it is, and as you can see that it is showing me all of the merchants from whom I can easily purchase my crypto. So tap on the buy option right next to the person to whom you want to purchase your crypto. Then enter the amount of crypto that you want to purchase. After that, select the payment method and initiate your transaction. You need to follow some further instructions in order to purchase your crypto via P2P trading. If you want to sell, then tap on the sell option and you can do the same with the selling. So you can select the merchant, tap on the sell option, enter the amount that you want to sell, select the payment method and initiate your selling. So this is how you can basically trade via P2P on Bitget exchange. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.